another Thursday, so without wasting any time of you and of me as well, let's start to today's video. It's Q&A part 2 as you guys have asked for it since a real long while, and finally I've made it, and I hope you guys like it. I mean, no offense by any answer I give, and all the answers I give are only from my point of view, my perspective, so there might be fluctuations on it, so please, I don't want anyone coming up and saying, Harshada, how can you say this, and Harshada, this is offensive and all. You have the disclaimer right here. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get going. So the first question to start with is from Dhwanisha. Hi Dhwani, how are you? I hope you're doing good. So she has asked me, with whom would you collab, Ranveer or Lily? Rule, you can only choose one. So everything is fair in love and war, and I love Lily and I love Ranveer, so I would collab with them both. Okay, so literally this is the hardest question to start with, but I have to answer one as you have mentioned it that I have to choose one, so I would go with a collab with Lily rather than Ranveer, because I won't give any reason, because there is no reason. It's just my mind said that Lily, and I said that I would love to collab with Lily before Ranveer. So that's a wrap for the first question. Started? Okay, the second question I choose is of Preeta. Hi Preeta, I hope you're doing good, sending lots of love your way, girl. So she has asked me, do you want to collab with Lily, and what is your inspiration to keep on going and not quitting? So yes, I answered in the first question. I want to collab with Lily. That's my biggest dream of life. And the next question you have asked, I've already answered it in the first Q&A, and I have given the link. You can click the eye up and you'll watch the video. And so going up to next is Tanishka Chavan. Hi Tanishka, how are you? So she has asked me, will you change after getting the real YouTube fame? Will you still notice your fans, meet them, give them autographs and surprises? Okay, so first of all, I would really like to, thank you for believing that I would reach there and I would have fans and have fame. I would have never imagined or expected this yet. So I first of all told you that this 1,000+ subscribers in less than a year is a great achievement for me, which I did not expect. So the YouTube fame and all those money and stardom and all, I really don't know if I'll reach there, and even if I do, of course it would be just because of you guys that I'm there, I would be there. So no, I won't change. I mean, let's see, the change depends on the surroundings and all the conditions as well, but up to what I think, I won't change. So I promise you girl that you would never see Ambivert as rude or as mean to you all, and I would always keep loving you all, and I'm gonna appreciate your support to me forever. So next question is by Rasika. Of course I had to choose a question. She has asked me, what do you do when you feel upset? Ask Ambivert. So when I feel upset, there are quite a lot of things which I tend to do. Firstly, I would sort Pinterest and Tumblr and Instagram and all those possible apps which will give me quotes, which will give me good quotes. Secondly, when I'm upset or I want to make my mood up, I'll write poetries and all, so that inspires me, and later it inspires someone else too. So that is one thing I do. Then I binge watch Lily Singh, of course there's no doubt in that. So thank you for those beautiful comments and those messages and all the things you guys do for me. Those mean too much to me, literally much more than you'll ever know. So thank you guys so much for that. I love you all. Next question is by Mrital Sawan again. Hi Mrital, how are you? So she has asked me, you ever thought you will get so many subscribers on your channel? So yeah, as I said before, I never imagined to cross 1,000 subscribers in less than a year. I literally had, projected around 500 to 600 subscribers till the end of this year. I mean till the end of October, when I complete 1 year to my channel. So this was completely unexpected. Yeah, of course I have worked so much for it, so I can say it's just a repayment of my hustle and my work, and of course interest of you guys. So thank you so much for watching the video. Next question is by Durgesh Gupta, and he has asked me, do you believe in zodiac astrology? Ask Ambivert. So yeah, I do believe in zodiacs and astrology, because I am a great follower of it since I started knowing that something like this exists. And I do read Aries quotes, and I am a proud one, and I post a poem regarding Aries I had written. So I'm sure all of you Aries viewers will correlate to 10,000%. And yeah, I do believe in zodiac because not a firm believer I would say, but I do read and I do like reading it. So you can say I do believe and you can even say I do not. So this is a 50-50. Not even a 50-50, 80-20 kind of a question. So the next question is by Shikha Sharma, a very close friend of mine. Hi Shikha, I hope you're doing well and I hope we meet real soon. So she has asked me what is the ugly side of being a new YouTuber. So on this question I would speak for hours and hours. But to cut it short, I would just want to say that YouTubers, I mean new YouTubers, I'm considering myself in this, we are not looked at as properly as we should be. Because when I say to people that if anyone asks me and comes up saying what do you do and how, anything they ask about me, I say that I'm a YouTuber and a student as well. So YouTuber, when they hear the term YouTuber, they ask me, oh, so you upload Vines or you do prank videos? I'm like, no, I'm not that kind of a YouTuber. I mean, that's the mindset of people now, that on YouTube people are only doing pranks and those review videos and all. So new YouTubers who are struggling to give some other content or put some other content are not getting noticed. So I would just say this is the bitter truth for the new YouTubers today, at least in India. I don't know about the Western countries. So the next question is, do I believe in ghosts? I mean, interesting. I do believe in ghosts because if there is something called God which I haven't seen, there must be something called ghost as well. I mean, there are those virtual images of God and ghosts and those hell and heaven. So there is, I mean, what has ghosts done to me? If I'm believing in God, I should believe in ghosts as well. So this is my clear, simple definition and explanation of yes, I do believe in ghosts exist. I mean, look at you. Next question is by a very good friend of mine again, Pratik. Hi Pratik, you have been a constant supporter and you watch my videos regularly, so thank you so much for that. And he has asked me things that put your morale down. So this is a good question again. Things that put my morale down, I would say, is when someone tries to put me down for no reason. I mean, yeah, there are people in my life, there have been people in my life who took advantage of their higher authority and told bad things about me to people around and put my image down in front of their eyes. I mean, there was no need to do such. So yeah, I mean, doing these things, these great things, I don't believe in. And I mean, if someone is hustling and if someone is working to be a better person, and if you go and tell something bad about him or her to your close mates and spoil their image in front of them, that is something which lets me down and hurts me a lot. But it's okay, life is a continuous journey. We are all supposed to keep going and keep continuing, so you shouldn't, that shouldn't matter to you. So this is what I believe. The next question is by Niranjan. Hi Niranjan, I hope you're doing well, my boy, and thanks for that support you have shown to Ambivert since the day one. So he has asked me, love or money, which is greater and why? So this is again a subjective question and I won't have a particular answer for this. But according to me, what I believe is a person looks for something what he or she does not have. So if you have love, of course you would look for money, and if you have money, you would look for love. So it depends, and the question is quite subjective. And if you ask me, I am a believer in money right now because I have a lot of people who love me and I love them a lot back. It's not that I don't respect love or I don't support love, but yeah, I'm looking for money. So I believe in money right now more than love. So guys, the next question coming is by a great personality. You would never expect that person to ask me a question. I did not expect it myself, and I am so on the 9th cloud to tell you who has asked me the question. And let me introduce that profile to you. Applause! So, my friend Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, our beloved Gandhi Bapu, has asked me, oh, I love your goggle, please rent it to me if you can, Gandhiji. So Gandhiji has asked me, ask Ambivert, why did you leave Rickshawali? Great question. So Mr. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, I would like to ask you, Melody, इसमें chocolate क्यों है? try करके देखो, खुद जान जाओ. So yeah, this question, my friend, when you ask me, हर्षदा ने रिक्शा वाली को क्यों छोड़ा? Try करके देखो, खुद जान जाओ. So this was a very controversial question, and I would like to keep it private because there are some things which are not supposed to be disclosed, because you know I'm not a person who would say bad about people, and I would not do something which is done to me. So I believe in girl love and I believe in peace. So I just had to answer this because my friend Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was very excited and very keen about knowing it. So no offense to anyone. Next question, please. So the next question we have is from Crazy Unicorn Tania. Hi Unicorn, I hope you're doing well, boo. So she has asked me which was the first video you watched of Lily. So the first video I watched of Lily was Shed Punjabi Mothers Say, and since that video I have been binge watching Lily sing like a zombie, jerk, or say anything, and I worship her. I'm a devotee since that very time. So that was the first video I saw, but I guess it was around 3 years ago. So yeah. So the last question for the day is by my girl Shelby. Hi girl, I hope you're doing well. And she has asked me, how do we always stuck to our work? As for teenagers, it's pretty difficult to let their mind do one thing for a long time. We overthink a lot. Just give us some ideas. Okay, so I would say on this, if you are determined to something and if you have convinced yourself enough that you have to achieve something or you have to do something, there should be no one or no barrier that would disturb you. I mean, yeah, there will be thousands of barriers coming your way which would try to manipulate you and try to convince you that whatever you're doing is not right, or whatever you're doing, they'll try to distract you. But what keeps you going is your own determination, because before starting it you have well convinced yourself, and once you are convinced, no one can stop you. So I hope you achieve all the great things in life, and my best wishes are with you, girl. So that's it for the day. Ambivert Q&A part 2 is done, and I hope you enjoyed this video. There was some secrets coming out, or there was some stingy things I said which I don't usually. And that's it for the day. I'll see you guys next Thursday. Please don't forget to share this one and like this one if you really liked it. And I love you all to be here, and thank you for your support. Thank you for your constant love you've been showering on me. I hope it continues. So I'll see you guys next Thursday. Until then, you should keep smiling and keep spreading those positive vibes. Your girl Ambivert taking your leave. Bye.